Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can buy ZetaChain. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if we talk about ZetaChain, it is around 350 million market cap with an overall supply of 2.1 billion Zeta tokens. Now ZetaChain is a layer 1 solution built in EVM compatible, that is Ethereum virtual machine, and also Cosmos IBC, Bitcoin, Dogecoin and Tron. Now if we talk about the founder of ZetaChain, it was an early Coinbase employee and one of the creators of BAT, Basic Attention Token. Now, if you want to go ahead and purchase this token, I would suggest is you have an account on Bitget. Now, if you don't have an account on Bitget, you can use the sign up link in the description where you can get up to 1000 USDT as newcomers gift package. Now, once you have an account set up on Bitget, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and purchase some USDT, or maybe you can transfer USDT from other centralized exchange or maybe wallet. Now, the reason why I'm suggesting Bitget is because it has a inbuilt ZetaChain where you can transfer this Zeta coins to your wallet and earn airdrops and additional rewards. So now the next step is like, if you will have to have a MetaMask wallet. Now if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead and install it maybe on your Chrome browser or download it on your mobile. Now once you have the MetaMask setup, all you have to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org and here search for Zeta. Now you will need to add this to your MetaMask wallet. Now once you have added this to your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you can go to app.ad.finance over here, connect your MetaMask wallet, and let's say if you don't have Zeta on your MetaMask wallet, you can also bridge this. So basically app.ad.finance is only to bridge other tokens on the Zeta chain. But if you are buying it on Bitget, you can directly transfer this Zeta tokens to your MetaMask wallet without the need to have this. Now, once you have Zeta tokens in your MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to app.zetaswap.com and go in the reward section and search for airdrop. So as you can see, for every transaction, you will earn EXP. So this EXP will help you qualify for the future airdrops on the Zeta network. So as you can see, for swap, earn 5 points for every $100 you swap, and swap a minimum of $100 to earn points. And then you can earn some additional points by adding liquidity and by referring your friends over here. So they also have some referral campaigns that are coming in the future, and these are some of the NFT rewards that you would be eligible on the Zeta network. Now still the website is under construction. I mean, it's not fully completed, but as you can see, they will be implementing something called as a leaderboard in the future, and then you can gather as many points as possible in order to get the future airdrops. Now this is about ZetaSwap, and now you can also go to Zeta Hub over here, and as you can see, you can connect your MetaMask wallet over here. So in this case, I have connected my Bitget wallet, but you can go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now here you can earn EXP. So EXP will help you qualify for airdrops again and some additional rewards. Then here is the number of transactions that you have completed on the Zeta network. Then they also have something called as a liquidity pool over here. So as you can see, Zeta to Ethereum, Zeta to BNB and Zeta to Bitcoin. So this is the total value locked over here, as you can see, which is like pretty low to be honest for now, because it's relatively new. Maybe in the future this token might go, you may never know, like 50x or 100x, because crypto is very unpredictable. So if it reaches like 34 billion, then it will be like 100x. So one Zeta token can be like $145, you may never know. Now you can go ahead and add liquidity if you want, and for some reason it's not showing the fee rewards. Maybe they will implement it later, or maybe they already have it, I'm not sure. And over here you can also stake your Zeta tokens with different validators, as you can see. So I would advise is like select the validators with around 5% commission, which is giving like a better return, and also check like how much voting power do they have, because I think this would be similar to the Cosmos ecosystem where you stake your coins and tokens and receive huge airdrops. So similarly, like Celestia stakers have earned a lot of airdrops in the past, and these were some of the best airdrops. So I think similarly you can try to farm airdrops on the Zeta chain, and here you can send your Zeta tokens. Then they also have this governance. For governance, I would advise is always vote on the governance proposal, because this helps you qualify for more airdrops, to be honest, because I have seen this happening on the Cosmos ecosystem where I keep voting on every governance, and that helps me qualify to get a decent airdrop. Now you can also trade on this Zeta Hub, and basically you can also claim your airdrop rewards over here. So you can go ahead and check if you are eligible, and if you click on the ecosystem, then this is the full ecosystem on the Zeta network for now. So like they have this 26 pages, you can go ahead and check each and every ecosystem if you would like to explore this. So this is all about how you can buy Zeta tokens, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.